Hello everyone, my name is Negi, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate a simple application called remote pair programming. Okay, so the complete application is built on Node.js, Express.js and mongoDB in the backend, and in frontend we are using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. Simple. Okay, so I'll just start the application. The command is npm run dev. And we can see the application is running on port 4001 and we have connected to database successfully. All right, let's hit the application. Okay, all right, so in the application we can see on the left side we have a panel for writing our code, and at the bottom we have the small text area for the output, and the output will be generated after we click the button compile and run. Okay, so we have a few options for changing language, so we can write code in C, C++ and Python for now. So I'll write a small application for C++. Let's see, just for a short demo. Code string. RPP is short for remote pair programming. See, we have got our output here. Exactly. Okay, so some other functionalities include login and chat, share, video chat. I'll be demonstrating this one by one. So starting with the login, user can log in either using his Google ID or her GitHub ID. Okay, so I'll just use Google one. Okay, and just to demonstrate a second user, I'll just open a new tab where I have logged in using my second Google ID, and I'll again hit the application and I will log in with Google but with a second ID. Alright, so yeah, so anyone can just go to the share tab and can generate a shareable link which the other one can copy to its tab, and we can see that I have paired with Negi. Okay, and in the Negi tab I'll see that I have paired with Himanshu. Okay, so now what we can do, we can just write our code as usual, and we'll see like it will reflect in the same manner in the other tab, in the second one tab, like this. So I'll just make it more clear. Yeah, so whatever I write here, you can see exactly it is going to reflect on my peer's side. Okay, and we have more functionality in this, that if one member is writing code on line number 2, so the other member cannot delete that code. So for example, here I am writing on line number 2, so I cannot delete any content from line number 2. I'm trying to hit the backspace but I cannot. So this will be very useful when two programmers are trying to modify the same line. Okay, so the next functionality is the chat one. We can hit chat, like we can say hi Anshu, and here we can say a little exclamation mark. saying that you have got a message, and we can see that we have received a message on 11:44. Okay, so the next functionality is the video one. So only the creator of the repository can dial the number, while the other can only answer it. Okay, I'll initiate a call here. So as you can see, it is calling, and on the other side we can see incoming calling. Here it is dialing, and here we can see incoming call. It says that click answer and then connect. So I'll click the answer, and I'll then click connect to start the video call. Similarly, on the second end, we can see the call is accepted. Click connect to start the video call. So I just click the connect button. So you can see my face. I have a new hairstyle. So the video quality is very bad in my laptop. So from the second end, you can see a connecting camera, because this is trying to access my phone's camera. I'll just start that in a minute. So I'm using this application called IP Webcam on my Android. So what it does, it just shows the camera. Yeah, much better. So this one is my phone's camera, and the other one is my laptop's camera. So now we can just we can talk with each other using video chat, and we can also write a code. So I think that would be very useful. Okay, so this was all about the application and how it works. Thank you so much for watching. That's it. Bye.